Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live in India. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, in this part, here are the streaming services that we can use to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live in our country. So we have here Unite 8 Sports and then of course Z5. So let's say for example that you chose Z5 right here as your streaming platform. So on our browser, just search for Z5 right here. So it doesn't matter if you are using a phone, a PC, or a smart TV. So you just have to follow my steps right here. So I will just show you how. So click on enter right there. And then once you see their website, you just have to click on it. Now in this part, you just have to, of course, register right here if you don't have an account and then log in if you have an account. Now this will require you to pay their subscription fee or if you want to, of course, watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live. So you will have to avail their subscription. And then once you do that, you just have to wait for the streaming of FIFA World Cup 2026 to start. And then once you do that, you will be, of course, notified and then after that you can watch it right there. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.